Hello friends, today we are going to talk about attributes in an HTML page. So, attributes are nothing. It are something but it is nothing. But attribute provides additional information about an element or tag which is used to modify those elements. Most attributes have value and those values modifies the attribute. So let me give you an example that okay, let's show you this. Let me show you this. So you see, this is an example of an attribute. So when you type a p element and you type something in it, it automatically or its default alignment is on left side. But here we have decided that whatever I have written should be centered in should be aligned in the center. Okay, so this is how what is attribute. So you can also give attributes a measurement by pixels, like for 50 pixels you can write 50 px or you can write 50%. So let me give you an example that okay, see this HR with 50%, this is also text. So if we enter it also, let's not consider it. So just see, HR means it will make a horizontal line whose width will be 50 pixels. Percentage are pixels. You can also write it as px. Both works. This means that the computer have to draw a line which measures 50 pixels. Okay, now let's save it. Okay, so friends, now let's see a HTML page. So this is what our page looks like. So you see, this is the text which was aligned to center. This is the text which we went to the site, and this is HR tag which made 50 pixels in the center. You see here. So you see, the width was set 50 and alignment is center for everything. If you want, you can change it by typing alignment here. Align equals to left. So now this horizontal line would be drawn on the left side. Let's open it again. You see, it shifted to left. So friends, thank you for watching my video. Please like this video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.